Hello everyone, welcome back again. It's me Abu. So today we are going to continue with our practicing in CSS, and I've prepared one website to practice actually. So I will show you now which website is this, and then we can move on. So first of all, I opened two files, the main file of HTML and style CSS. So here it is, which is W3schools, if you know, or if you don't know this one. So we are going to create this page only, okay, main page. So how we can do this? It's easy, but it takes some time. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to write here nav. There is two nav bars, right? The first nav and the second nav. So let's write down the first one. I will open first main. Instead of our main, we have nav1 with the class name, okay? And the nav1, there is nav, and inside of our nav tag we have logo h1 logo, okay? And we have inside 1, 2, 3, 4 selections. So I will write select, and inside of the select there is options, as you know, and the options such as tutorials, right? And if we open, there is others. So we do not make this, okay, it takes so much time. So just I will copy paste this one 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And this one will be exercises. Okay. And this one will be certificates. I'm sorry. Certificates. And the last one is services. Okay, now it's fine, everything, right? And the next one is input. So instead of the now, I will open the div, which is called input1, and there will be input, and placeholder will be search. Okay, and we have icon. So in order to connect the icons, we need favicon, not favicon, font awesome, I'm sorry, font awesome cdn.js. Let's come back, open the link, copy the tag, and paste under the style CSS. Okay, so the next thing, so just back and delete cdn.js and icons, and we need magnifying glass. So I will write search just, and here it is. Okay, this one, and just copy and just put in here. Okay, the next thing is this kind of icon. So it should be out of the input. Dark, I will just write maybe. Okay, yeah, this one. So I will just copy, and out of this div I will put in there. And the next thing, this one, plus spaces, get certified, and this. So I'll write these things in p tag. Okay, so the first one is plus, the next one is spaces, the last one is get certified. Oh no, wait, this one should be spaces. Okay, now it's fine. The next thing is this one is buttons. So wait. Okay. So sign up and login. We can do with buttons, which is sign up, and the next one is login, and I will give them ID class. So class and login. Okay, now it's good. The next now we have to create. So we have now one. Just close this, and the next thing is I will write nav2, and there is this kind of this one, right? So I will write with the ul ul class content, and this one is lists. List I can give class class items, and I can write HTML, so copy more, and let's change their values. CSS, JS, Java, okay, JavaScript, SQL, Python, SQL, Python, how2, PHP, W3 CSS, C, and C++, C#, Bootstrap, React, MySQL. Okay, now it's fine. We don't need to write others. The next thing is I want to get this background image, so just I will inspect this to get it. I think it should be an image. Let's check out. Okay, yeah, this one. Just I will save image, and to our CSS practices cert, open new folder called image, and just save it. Okay, that's fine. So we don't need this one. Next thing is just close this nav2 also, and let's write down the other code. So I will give content, right, and I will write h1, so learn to code, and the next thing is with world's largest web developers site, so h3, okay, and the next one is gain input 2, and input the placeholder as search our tutorials, and that's it. And we have one icon, just magnifying glass again. I will take from here. Okay, it's fine. Now close this. I'll put here, and the last one is inside of h3 out of this one. Oh, okay. Now let's open in the live server. I hope we did it, some of them. Also, let's start writing the main code in here. Yeah, it's working so slow. I'm so sorry for this. Okay, let's write down this goes. Okay, now it's good. Now we have the HTML. So just we need to design, and that's it. Okay? Okay, let's start. First, I will get main tag. No. Okay, main tag. And I will give width 100%. Height, min height. Let's give minimum height 100 VH. Okay, it's fine. And let's give just border 1 pixel solid red. Okay, so we have main, so we can do 1 pixel. It's good. So let's start the now. We have to design. I mean now one. Okay. So first let's come out here. Now one, and now one we have width was 100%, and min height is can be 80 pixels. Okay, and border 1 pixel solid. So let's use our call eyedropper. Okay, we can take it, copy it, and now it's fine. And background color is also the same. Okay, so we did it. So 80 pixel min height, so it's more than at the moment because we need to give display flex first of all in order to make all of the items in one line, like flexible, right? So also we can give display flex instead of this now. Display. Okay, first let's write down also now one. Instead of our now one, there is now display flex, justify content center, line items, center, and there is also so I think width 99. Okay, 100% is fine. And okay, yeah, we did it. Okay, and the last thing, just color. I have to give FFF in order to see more. Okay, now we did it. So we have to design others. So logo, other things. Now, instead of justify content center, we can use space between. Yes, this one is better. And then let's design. Okay, let's make it smaller. Min height, not 20, 50. Okay, it's fine. So we have to give also padding. As you can see, it's attached on top. So we have to give some padding. 20 pixels can be. Oh, okay, it's now fine. So just we have to design the selections. So the select. So let's write down now one. We have now and select. So border is definitely none. Outline is none. So we don't have borders, we don't have outlines now. So background color, I think we need to do transparent. Oh, I think we need to do not select. We have to give option. Okay, now it's working, right? So just give the color F. I think we need to give to options maybe. Okay, it works. So now fine. It's almost the same, right? And we have to design the input 1. So not P. Okay, input 1. So let's give width can be, I don't know. Okay, this is good. 100%. No, not 100%. 50 pixels. Okay, let's just. Okay, 250 pixel is fine. And mean height 20 pixels, border 1 pixel, solid this one, or maybe let's give some. Okay, it's fine. And border radius 20 pixels. Okay, 250. I think it's more. I think 20. Give this 40. Okay. Now let's design our input with 100%. And height is also 100%. Okay. And border radius is 20 pixels. It's fine. So we have to, I think, made 90%. Okay, now it's fine. So width is the same and height is also fine. I don't know why it's not working properly. Okay, now it's fine, it's working. Let's remove their border and outline from inputs. So outline is also none. So we don't have now. Let's give some text indent. 12 pixels. It's fine. And I think search button should be. Oh, I see. We can do for input 1 of the input of icon, so we can give maybe background color. Let's give. I haven't done, but let's try. It doesn't work because I think we need to give with maybe 20 pixels, height 40 pixels, so it does work. So instead we can use, or we don't need to do. So let's write down. Okay, now it's fine. Next thing, others, I think it's fine. We can just change their colors to this if we want. Okay. So just copy the color from here and come out here, and we can write not input. Now one now of the P color should be like this. And now let's change it to this. And the last thing is just we need to design now one and now. Okay, let's write down. The buttons. Now one of the now. No, I think we wrote sign and padding 12 pixels, 15 pixels. Okay, and border radius is 20 pixels. and the color is green, not like this kind of green. So let's copy, and this one, okay, it's fine, and give the color for this white, and the border is also none, and outline is also none. Okay, now it's fine. And also we have to just design the login. Okay, let's just copy and write down here login, but the color is FF, but this one is 00. Okay, now it is fine. So we did it, the now only. So I think if we do all, it's being so long, so I will make it with 2 parts. So I will post to YouTube the first part and other web postings. So I think you learned something new from here, and try also you, okay? So if you have any further questions, you directly write to me, and thank you for everyone. Have a great day.